Welcome back, guys. This is probably the last video of the box camper. Yeah, I posted for sale on my channel, and 2 days later received a deposit on it. The guy's going to come back and pick it up. He said within a week. He's a business owner. He's going to use it as a mobile office, and he's going to use it for traveling. So it's going to a good home, and the guy's a viewer, and I'm glad to see one of you guys get it. And while it's still here, I had the idea that I want to take some measurements off it so I remember what size it is, and I want to compare it to this camper van that I bought. This is I'm probably not going to hang on to this. I don't know. It's probably just going to flip it. But I might use it for a little bit in between. But they look similar in size. There's not a whole lot of difference right there, other than maybe the height. But I'm going to get some real world measurements and compare the outside, the width, the interior, stuff like that. See what the difference is. So I guess the first thing, I'm going to start with the length of these things and compare them. I don't really have a tape measure that's long enough, but I'll do my best. "18 feet 2 inches. If you add the box on the back, it's 19 foot 2 inches. 71.5 inches tall. 76.5 inches wide. 9 foot 9 inches. That's more like it. I was like, I have a 10 foot box here. Why is it reading that? Anyway, so yeah, lengthwise is 9 foot 9 inches. And let's go see what the Campervan interior looks like. "17 feet 5 inches for the Campervan. Yeah, this thing is a real campervan. It's registered as an RV. It's even got the Riva sticker on here, saying it's in compliance with RV manufacturing. I guess that might be helpful when you need to get into a park or something. I don't know. At its highest part, it's 69 inches. 67.5 inches wide at the widest part. I would say that's living space right there. And we're looking at 116 inches. 9 foot 8 inches. So it's the same length. Just about like an inch off of living space. The biggest thing is the width and just a little bit of the height, so not a whole lot of difference. I'm very surprised. There's enough room for a restroom right here. We need to come up with a fancy porta potty that flushes itself. You don't have to do anything; it just acts like a regular toilet. That would be the bomb there. I think my wife would buy into it then, and then have it all quarantined off here. I've got a good 24 inches there, I think. Yeah, 24 inches, or actually 25 or 26 inches. That's doable. Might have to think about that. Almost forgot one critical measurement. The actual outside height of the whole thing. I forgot about that. Let me go ahead and get that real quick. 99 inches to the roof. Thanks a lot, everyone. Anyway, 99 to the top of the fiberglass, and 103 inches to the little vent that's up there on the top. 105 and 114 to the very top of the rack. So 105 is the top, the flat surface. So here are the final measurements. The box camper is 18 inches longer. The width is exactly the same as a camper van, and it's 11 inches taller. The interior dimensions of the box camper versus camper van, the height is 2.5 inches higher, width is 9.5 inches wider, and it's 1 inch longer living space. What really surprises me is the amount of width that the box camper has, even though the outside dimensions are exactly the same width. Well, this is just something I was curious about, and I thought maybe some of y'all out there would appreciate this information, because I was always curious about it. So hopefully it'll be of help to somebody out there. I guess we'll start with the interior. You got to drive it the other day.
Yeah.
So I do want to say, I'm just going to kind of pass this on and maybe introduce everybody to your channel.
Yeah, that'd be good.
This is Tim Wolf. He's the new owner of the box truck camper, and hope you guys will follow his channel and his adventures. So I'm just going to kind of show him around and show him how everything works. Well,
again, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
Appreciate
again.
it.
You want to get the steps going up for the last time?
Okay, yeah.
How do you want to do it?
Sounds good to me.
Let's see, let's flip the switch here.
Yeah, second to the left. That's it. And then when you close the door, they'll automatically come up.
Here we go. Steps up for the last time.
Wow, well, that was hard to see that thing go, man. Harder than I thought it'd be. Well, I know it's going to a good home, and he's got a good plan for it, so it's good for everybody.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.